everybody, welcome to the Wild Dog Way. I'm Jessica. Today's video is going to be a what I eat in a day travel edition. We are leaving in about 10 minutes to head to North Carolina. It's going to be about a 9-hour drive for us. So I thought I would bring you along for what I eat in a day while we're traveling. We have a cooler that plugs in to the car outlet so that we don't have to deal with ice packs. And so I have packed snacks and a lunch to try to keep me on track as best as possible and to give me healthier options. A lot of fruits and vegetables because you can't really get as much of that on the road as I would like. My goal is to eat around my calorie deficit. I'm trying to eat in a deficit currently, but I get really snacky when I'm on a road trip, so I'm allowing myself to eat between the deficit and maintenance, which for me is about 1,800 to 2,200 calories with a goal of 150 grams of protein. So that's the goal for today. I've kind of already prepped breakfast, snacks, and lunch. I have zero clue what we're doing for dinner because it'll depend what time we get there, whether we grab something, whether we end up grocery shopping. We'll see. So come along and let's see what I eat in a day traveling. We're at our first stop, which is to fuel up before we hit the interstate. And I'm gonna go ahead and start with breakfast being a smoothie. This is milk, frozen fruit, which is bananas and strawberries today, 𝐂𝐭 collagen and protein. That is our current favorite because it has such great ingredients. And powder greens. I would normally use fresh greens, but since we were leaving for a week on a trip, I didn't have any, so powder greens it is. It's about 400 calories and 40-ish grams of protein, so pretty good macros, and it's delicious. The first snack of the day is grapes and some Archer's beef jerky. We are pulled over, fueling up again. We've officially driven about halfway and I am getting really, really hungry. So we're gonna go ahead and pull out some of our prepared lunches that I packed so that we can start eating before we get back on the road. For lunch, I have like a Greek Mediterranean inspired adult Lunchable, we'll call it. This is boar's head chicken roll-ups. This is a cheese stick. Then under here I have a ton of grape tomatoes and cucumbers. These are Simple Mills Mediterranean pita chips or pita crackers. And then this is tzatziki sauce for my grape tomatoes and cucumbers. We are almost through South Carolina. We are at, I don't know, probably our 5th rest stop of the day, because when you are on the road and still trying to get your 80 to 100 ounces of water, well, you end up finding a rest stop in at least every state, sometimes multiple states. I am about to have my second snack for the day. I'm going to be having some Quaker caramel mini rice cakes. Not the best ingredients, and I'm aware of that, but I'm really just like kind of restless and ready for something crunchy and munchy and sweet, and so this kind of fits the bill. It's gonna be crunchy, still have that sweet with the caramel. So this is gonna be snack number 2. It's 100 calories for this little bag, which is perfect. It'll hit the spot and give me that little bit of energy because it's mostly carbs for the rest of this trip, hopefully. And then we'll be doing dinner. I have no clue what we're doing because at this point we are going to be getting there at 6 p.m. I don't know whether we will just go out to eat or if we're gonna stop at a grocery store on our way in and pick something up to cook at the Airbnb. So we'll see. We made it, we've arrived, and it's absolutely beautiful. We did decide we're gonna go grocery shopping because we need groceries anyway. So that's what we're gonna do for dinner tonight. I don't know what, it'll depend on what we find at the grocery store. Apparently the grocery store option we have is in Ingalls, and we're from Florida, so that's not something we have. So that will be an adventure all on its own. We bought some chicken and some steamer bags. So Kevin grilled this and it's 4 ounces of chicken. And then this is just an entire steamer bag of green beans and potatoes in a butter sauce. And we are eating with this beautiful view. For dessert, I'm gonna have one of these Built Puff Brownie batter bars. These are some of my absolute favorite, along with the barbell bars. Cookies and creams is my favorite flavor. This is 140 calories and 17 grams of protein, and it is delicious. So this will be my dessert tonight before bed. I'm getting ready to go to bed, and my final calories for the day. Keep in mind this is an estimate because I couldn't measure everything exactly, but my guesstimate is 1,767 calories with 156 grams of protein. My carbs were a little high today. I had like 180 grams of carbs. My fats weren't quite as high as I would have liked. There was only 50 grams of fat. I really prefer that to be closer to 60, 65, and my carbs to be just a little bit lower. So tomorrow I'll make sure that I start my day with something that's a little bit higher in fat. Like I'll eat something with peanut butter probably, just to kind of balance that out because it's about the big picture, not the small picture. And that's where we ended the day at.